Good morning. I'm going to do a little walkthrough of some of the cars that we currently have for sale in our showroom. Primarily Ferraris. Unfortunately, this Porsche 904 is not for sale. However, very cool car. Let's wander up here. So we have this really clean Testarossa. Ferrari Barchetta and 348 Coupe to the left. And as we walk back here, we have our 599 and then a pair of 365 2+2s, which from the 67 era. And as we wander through the back here, these are not for sale. However, these are some of our event cars that we rent out on the Retro Rally Group. So we have a Alpha 1900 with this Austin Healey and this Alloy Jag, which, if you're interested and want to be doing some European rallies, contact me and we will discuss rental options. All right, that's it for now. Tomorrow I'll do some video inside the shop. We're assembling some cool cars right now, and I will be back.